In this video, we will show you how to properly use the Rotovap. Before using, you will want to turn on the cooling system. There is a button in the back to turn it on, and then a button in the front, as well as an arrow to get the cooling started. This will be done by your instructor and should already be cooling when you arrive to lab. The temperature that's set is displayed on the instrument, and the red button can be used to adjust the set temperature. Here we see that the instrument is already cooling the Rotovap, so we can start. Turn on the vacuum line. Make sure that the system is closed so the hole is pointing towards you. Turn the power on to the Rotovap and turn on the heating. You can use the dial to select the temperature you want your water bath to be set at. Then you take your flask, attach it to the Rotovap and hold on to it. Turn on the pump using the front button, and you want to make sure that the pump is set to 10 so that you can let go of your flask. Once it's set, then you can remove your hand and turn on the rotation. Press the button to lower the flask into the water bath. You will see that solvent will condense onto the coil and drip down into the collection flask. Several minutes later, you'll see that the solid is starting to come out of the solution. Here, the solid is almost completely dry. Once your solid is dry, you can lift your flask out of the water bath, turn off the rotation, and hold your flask as you press the power button on the pump. After you turn off the pump, you will see a red light, which means it's self-cleaning. This is normal. When the gauge comes back to the desired position, remove your flask carefully and set it aside. Then you will turn off the power button on the Rotovap and turn off the power to the heating bath. Then you can turn off the vacuum. If the collection flask is full, please notify your instructor.